My belief is firm in the law of compensation. The true rewards are ever in proportion to the labor and sacrifices made. Anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. The greatest thing in life is to keep your mind young. I think it's important to have a good heart failure when you are young. I learned a lot out of that because it makes you kind of aware of what can happen to you. You either solve the problem or leave the problem. Never live with the problem. You are not everything you could be, and you know it. If life can remove something you never expected to lose, it can also replace it with something you never dreamt of having. Help yourself. No one else is coming to rescue you. You are your own hero, and the power to change is within you. Start today because waiting for others will only keep you stuck. If you are honest and frank, people may cheat you. Be honest and frank anyway. Sometimes we don't wanna heal because the pain is the last link to what we have lost. There is a certain strength in being alone, but there is a great power in being alone and happy. Your darkest moments are what shaped the strongest parts of your soul. Pain carves out strength that joy could never give. Embrace the darkness, for it is where your light was born. Some paths can't be discovered without getting lost first. Someday, when things are okay, you will look back and feel proud that you did not give up. Sometimes we break ourselves to leave behind the pieces that were never ours to carry. Forgive yourself for accepting less than you deserve, but don't do it again. The biggest lie you have told yourself is that you are not ready yet. Don't waste a minute not being happy. If one window closes, run to the next window or break down a door. To accomplish great things, we must not only act but also dream, not only plan but also believe. Some things have to end in order for better things to begin. A tree does not compete with the trees around it, it just grows. May God break my heart so completely that the whole world falls in. When the road gets bumpy, you don't leave the car, you put the seat belt on. Overthinking the art of creating problems that were not even there. Things work out when you least expect them. Life has a funny way of surprising us when we are not looking for it. Befriend those who expand your thinking, not just your circle. Life gets better once you stop assuming you will always have more time later. Be productive. Each day should be a step forward. Solitude allows you to be yourself with no outside influences. The more alone time you give yourself, the more you become comfortable with your own company. It's a whole lot more satisfying to reach for the stars, even if you end up landing only on the moon. Wherever you go, go with all your heart. Don't be discouraged. It's often the last key in the bunch that opens the lock. If you dare nothing, then when the day is over, nothing is all you will have gained. When you compare the sorrows of real life to the pleasures of the imaginary one, you will never want to live again, only to dream forever.